Artificial intelligence, that magical concoction of algorithms and circuits, has captured the imagination of scientists, sci-fi authors, and conspiracy theorists alike. With its immense potential to transform our lives, it's time to unravel the mysteries behind its evolution. Get ready to witness AI go from clueless rule followers to hypothetical super-intelligent beings that could make Einstein himself question his brilliance. In this video, we'll break down the 7 distinct stages of AI, each one representing a significant milestone in its development. From rule-based systems that couldn't tell the difference between a cat and a hat, to the theoretical realms of artificial general intelligence and the AI singularity. We'll explore the ups, downs, and mind-bending leaps that AI has taken. Let's take a trip down memory lane to the dawn of artificial intelligence, AI, where we find ourselves in the quirky and rule-obsessed world at stage 1. Rule-based AI systems. Picture this: AI systems, like enthusiastic little minions, tirelessly following a predefined set of rules and algorithms bestowed upon them by their programmer overlords. They excel at tasks that come with crystal-clear rules, like diagnosing mechanical problems or processing tax forms. It's like playing a game of chess against a computer that knows every move and outcome, thanks to its coded commandments. But here's the catch: these rule-based systems have a hitch in their giddy-up. They may be reliable and consistent, but they lack the wondrous ability to learn or adapt beyond the boundaries of their pre-programmed rules. Imagine asking them a question that doesn't fit neatly into their predetermined script, and they'll give you a bewildered robotic shrug. In a nutshell, rule-based AI systems are the fledglings of the AI world. They're like those adorable baby birds learning to fly, only equipped with a finite understanding of the world around them. They're reliable within their rule-filled universe, but lack the sparkle of intelligence that allows them to comprehend context or tackle uncharted territories. So, while they may have their uses, they're far from reaching the heady heights of independent learning and adaptability. Stage 2 ushers in a grand evolution in the realm of AI, the advent of context awareness and retention systems. Imagine AI systems that possess the power of understanding and retaining context from previous interactions. It's like having a personal assistant on your smartphone, such as Siri or Google Assistant, who can remember your preferences and tailor responses to your needs. Or think of those chat systems like GPT that seem to have a knack for providing more personalized and sophisticated user experiences. Unlike their rule-based predecessors, these context-aware AI systems bring a touch of magic to the table. These AI marvels are like sponges, soaking up information from past interactions to comprehend the true meaning behind your questions and deliver spot-on responses. They can adapt to your preferences and make your interactions more efficient and user-friendly. It's as if they have a backstage pass to your mind, understanding your unique quirks and catering to your every whim. Now, let's move on to Stage 3, Domain-Specific Mastery Systems. This is where AI takes a deep dive into specific fields and emerges as a true virtuoso. Think of IBM's Watson, who aced the quiz show Jeopardy! Answering questions that even left some human contestants scratching their heads in bewilderment. And then there's Google's DeepMind AlphaGo, who became an unrivaled master of the ancient board game Go, leaving human grandmasters in awe of its strategy and intuition. These domain-specific AI systems are like the masters of their respective fields, armed with an arsenal of data-crunching prowess. They can analyze vast amounts of information, spot patterns, and make lightning-fast decisions that leave us mere mortals in their digital dust. With their exceptional abilities, they provide groundbreaking solutions and insights that push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. But hold on tight, because Stage 4 takes us even deeper into the realm of AI wonders. We're talking about thinking and reasoning AI systems. These clever creations go beyond following rules and understanding context. They strive to emulate the human thought process itself, using fancy techniques like machine learning and deep learning to understand complex concepts, solve unfamiliar problems, and yes, even generate creative ideas. Imagine an AI system that can read books, comprehend their meanings, and infer the motivations behind the characters. Or picture an AI economist who can analyze mountains of economic data to suggest investment strategies. These thinking and reasoning AI systems come tantalizingly close to human intelligence in their ability to reason and derive insights. But let's not get carried away just yet. They're still specialized tools rather than the next Einstein. Now, let's venture into the theoretical land of artificial general intelligence, AGI. Stage 5 represents a pivotal moment where AI would possess human-like intelligence in all its magnificent facets. We're talking about an AI system that could learn a new language, compose a symphony, or solve mind-boggling mathematical theorems with the same finesse as a human prodigy. AGI holds the promise of solving complex problems, sparking innovation across multiple domains, and reshaping the world as we know it. But alas, achieving AGI remains a bit like chasing a mythical creature. It's an elusive dream that hovers in the realm of concepts rather than tangible reality. We still have a long way to go before we can unleash the true potential of AGI upon the world. So for now, let's admire the glimmers of AGI's brilliance from a respectful distance. Now things get really interesting in Stage 6 with the introduction of artificial superintelligence, ASI. Imagine AI that surpasses human cognitive abilities and outperforms us in most economically valuable work. We're talking about AI with an intellect beyond our wildest dreams, capable of solving global issues, unleashing unimaginable innovations, and creating in ways that could make Picasso himself raise an envious eyebrow. But with great power comes great responsibility, as they say. The advent of ASI raises ethical concerns and safety precautions. How do we ensure the control and governance of these superintelligent systems? What measures do we take to prevent misuse or unintended consequences? It's a whole new can of worms that demands careful consideration and thoughtful debate. Finally, we arrive at the grand final. The AI singularity. This is where things get mind-bendingly fascinating and a tad controversial. The singularity is a hypothetical point in the future when technological growth becomes unstoppable and irreversible. It's the moment when ASI takes the stage and could potentially reshape human civilization in ways we can't even begin to fathom. Experts hold varying opinions about the singularity. Some envision a harmonious integration of ASI and human intelligence, leading to unprecedented advancements and a golden age of prosperity. Others, however, raise valid concerns about the risks associated with an uncontrollable superintelligence that surpasses human comprehension and control. The concept of singularity forces us to ponder the nature of AI development, its profound societal implications, and the crucial need for ethical frameworks to guide us through uncharted territory. We've journeyed through the 7 stages of AI, from rule-based systems to the tantalizing realm of the singularity. But amidst all the excitement and wonder, let's not forget the importance of responsible AI development. As we navigate this brave new world, we must keep our human values in check. After all, we wouldn't want our AI overlords to replace us with robotic stand-up comedians, right? So, my friends, let's embrace the transformative power of AI while ensuring that it remains firmly in our control. By understanding the stages of AI development, we can stride confidently into the future, ready to shape its trajectory for the benefit of all. Remember, it's not about fearing the machines, but about finding harmony between human creativity and AI's mind-boggling capabilities.